What if I told you that achieving financial freedom isn't about earning six figures or winning the lottery? The secret lies in something much simpler: frugal living. In today's video, we're diving deep into why frugal living is more important than ever in 2025 and how it can unlock the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. Stick around to discover practical tips and mindset shifts that can change your life. The growing need for frugal living. As we head into 2025, the economic landscape is changing rapidly. Rising costs of living, unpredictable job markets, and inflation have made managing money more challenging for everyone. In a world where financial stress is becoming the norm, frugal living offers a way out. Frugal living isn't about deprivation, it's about making intentional choices with your money. By focusing on what truly matters and cutting out unnecessary expenses, you can take control of your finances and work toward the freedom to live life on your terms. In this video, I'll explain why frugal living is the ultimate strategy for achieving financial independence in 2025 and share actionable tips to help you get started. 1. Frugal living is about priorities, not sacrifices. One of the biggest misconceptions about frugal living is that it's about giving up everything you enjoy. In reality, frugal living is about prioritizing what matters most to you. Why it matters in 2025. Rising costs mean every dollar counts. Prioritizing essential expenses and cutting out unnecessary ones can make a huge difference in your budget. It allows you to spend money on things that align with your values, whether that's travel, education, or saving for retirement. Example, Jerk, a middle-class worker, used to spend hundreds on dining out every month. By cooking at home and only splurging on special occasions, he saved enough to start investing in his dream business. Takeaway: frugal living isn't about saying no to everything, it's about saying yes to what truly matters. 2. Frugal living builds financial resilience. Financial freedom isn't just about wealth, it's about stability. Frugal living helps you build a safety net that protects you from life's uncertainties. Why it's crucial in 2025. With inflation impacting everyday expenses, having savings is more important than ever. Frugal habits, like budgeting and mindful spending, help you prepare for unexpected expenses like medical bills or job loss. Practical tips: create an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? Takeaway: frugal living empowers you to handle life's challenges without financial panic. 3. The power of compound savings. Frugal living isn't just about saving money today, it's about creating a ripple effect that benefits your future. Why it's essential in 2025. Small savings add up over time. For example, cutting out a $5 daily coffee habit can save you over $1,800 a year. These savings can be invested to grow your wealth through compound interest. Example: Jerk started saving just $100 a month by cutting back on streaming services and subscriptions he didn't use. After investing this amount, he watched it grow significantly over 5 years. Takeaway: the earlier you start saving, the more powerful the results. 4. Frugal living encourages eco-friendly habits. In 2025, sustainability is more important than ever. Frugal living naturally aligns with eco-friendly practices, which can save you money while helping the planet. Why it matters: reusing, recycling, and repairing items reduces waste and saves money. Buying second-hand or repurposing items often costs less than buying new. Practical tips: shop at thrift stores for clothes and household items. Use reusable water bottles, coffee cups, and shopping bags to save on disposable items. Takeaway: frugal living isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the environment too. 5. Mindful consumption leads to long-term happiness. One of the surprising benefits of frugal living is how it changes your relationship with money and material possessions. Why it's important in 2025, in a world driven by consumerism. Learning to find joy in experiences rather than things can lead to greater satisfaction. Studies show that people who focus on meaningful activities rather than material possessions report higher levels of happiness. Example: Jerk used to buy the latest gadgets to keep up with trends. Once he embraced frugal living, he realized that spending time with family brought him more happiness than any new device. Takeaway: frugal living teaches you to value what truly matters, leading to a more fulfilling life. 6. Frugal living provides freedom to pursue your dreams. Financial freedom means having the flexibility to choose how you live your life. Frugal living is the key to unlocking that freedom. Why it matters in 2025. By reducing expenses, you can save more to fund your goals, whether that's starting a business, traveling, or retiring early. Living frugally helps you break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Practical tips: set clear financial goals and track your progress. Automate your savings to ensure you're consistently putting money aside for your dreams. Takeaway: frugal living gives you the freedom to build the life you want, on your terms. 7. Frugal living encourages community and connection. Frugal living often involves connecting with others to share resources, skills, and experiences. Why it's beneficial in 2025. Building a sense of community can help you save money through activities like potlucks, carpooling, or swapping items. Strong relationships provide emotional support, which is just as important as financial stability. Example: Jerk joined a local frugal living group where members shared tips, traded items, and encouraged each other. This sense of community made his journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Takeaway: frugal living isn't just about saving money, it's about building a richer, more connected life. 8. Frugal living helps you avoid debt traps. In 2025, rising interest rates and economic challenges make avoiding debt more important than ever. Frugal living helps you stay ahead. Why it's crucial: by spending within your means, you reduce the risk of relying on credit cards or loans. Paying off debt faster saves you money on interest and stress in the long run. Practical tips: prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Use a cash-only rule for discretionary spending to avoid overspending on credit. Takeaway: frugal living helps you stay in control and avoid the burden of debt. 9. The flexibility to adapt to economic changes. Frugal living gives you the ability to adapt, no matter what the future holds. Why it matters in 2025. Economic uncertainty can make it difficult to predict expenses. Living frugally ensures you're prepared for fluctuations. The habits you build now will help you weather financial storms with ease. Example: when Jerk's company downsized, his frugal habits allowed him to adjust without falling behind on bills or dipping into savings. Takeaway: frugal living isn't just a lifestyle, it's a survival skill. 10. Start your frugal living journey today. The beauty of frugal living is that anyone can start, no matter where they are financially. How to begin? Start small by tracking your spending for a week to identify areas where you can cut back. Choose 1 or 2 frugal habits to adopt, such as meal planning or using a budget app. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. Takeaway: the sooner you start living frugally, the closer you'll be to financial freedom. Conclusion: why frugal living is the future. As we navigate the challenges of 2025, frugal living offers a path to financial freedom, stability, and happiness. It's not about sacrifice, it's about empowerment. By making intentional choices with your money, you can create a life of abundance on your terms. Financial freedom is within your reach, and it starts with frugal living. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to take control of their finances.